welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Kazing, and in case you're new here, hello there. Thank you for dropping by. Please do make sure that you subscribe, hit your notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, mwah, 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 you know that you're the reason why I keep doing this, and I am so grateful. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into today's video. So this year I over trimmed my hair. I had been using it a little bit more often than I would like, and I had noticed that my ends were thinning out. Not that I had split ends, no, but they were just thinning out. So my hair would be thick all the way through, and then almost at the middle it would start thinning into the ends. I did not like how that felt. I did not like how that looked. So I had to trim my hair, I think almost 3 times now. I had to get rid of those thin ends, and I have been on a journey to make sure that my hair is so thick, because I choose thickness over length every other day. So I have been investing so much in protective hairstyling just so that I keep my hair safe, and I also don't manipulate it, and also do not use heat on it. So today I'll be doing micro twists. Yes, I know my parts are not perfect, I don't need them to be, but I'll be doing micro locks because I need to keep them in for a month. Today is the 18th of September 2023. I need to keep that in. I need to keep the mini twists or the micro locks in until mid-November, before my birthday. So Insta micro locks with me.
Hello there. Yeah, so I think I mentioned in the video when I did these twists, bad idea. This was one of the bad decisions I made for my hair. You might be wondering why, but this hairstyle broke my hair. It contributed to breaking my hair, and the reason I was doing this, I had recently trimmed my hair, like I had mentioned earlier. So my hair was a little bit shorter in this video, and then after doing this hairstyle, everything just went sour, and then I became stressed because of other issues, and my hair started falling off in clumps. So I am doing a voiceover now because it's almost 2 months later. Yes, it's almost 2 months later since I did this hairstyle, and my hair has been struggling badly. You will see from the other videos that I have uploaded that my hair has been struggling, and I had to start doing a lot of hair treatments just to see if I can redeem my hair. Otherwise, I'm still going to upload this just in case there's somebody who wants to try these twists out, and maybe they can work out for somebody else. Otherwise, I don't think tiny hairstyles are for me. They broke my hair a lot. My hair became so tangled. By the time I actually just kept them in for 3 weeks, I had intended to keep them for over 2 months. I couldn't because I noticed how tangled my hair became. It almost became locked. And so regardless of how careful I was, especially when taking them down, my hair broke a lot. And I actually even noticed that as I did this hairstyle, it took longer. It took me actually almost 2 days because I had to stop at some point, but it took me 2 days to install this hairstyle, and it took me 4 days to uninstall because I was as careful as I could be to ensure that I did not experience as much breakage. But regardless of how careful I was, my hair still broke, and it broke my heart. These twists looked really nice. I won't lie, they looked really nice. I got a lot of compliments, but I don't think it was worth it. And it just makes me feel bad. So yeah, this was day 2 of me installing these twists. Yeah, And in my head at this point, I was like, this is a hairstyle I'm going to keep for 2 months. It will help me retain length. It will help with my hair thickness because I will not have to manipulate my hair for the next 2 months. Wrong thought. Wrong thought. Actually, they were so high maintenance for me. Reason is I had to be really careful on how I moisturized, because when I moisturized and applied the oil on my scalp and massaged, I had to be so careful because if not, I felt like my hair tangled more. As I especially massaged my scalp, every time I would massage my scalp, especially if I used a scalp massager, I felt like my hair became even more locked. The more I sprayed water on it, I felt it just kept being even more locked. I don't know how I can explain it, but yeah. I know there are people with good reviews on micro twists, but they are not for me, and I don't think I'll be doing micro twists ever again unless otherwise. But no, it would be a hairstyle that I would try if I was planning on permanently locking my hair. Yeah, I think it would be a good hairstyle. Otherwise, just me doing them for the sake of protecting my hair, it's a non-starter. Never again. Never again. Those 3 weeks were a nightmare, and I know I said come and do microtwist with me, and I'm spending the whole video complaining. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know because I took this video 2 months ago. I did not upload it. I did not even edit it. This is when I'm editing it. Today is the 27th of November. So it's almost 2 months later that I am now editing this. Guys, micro twists are not for me. Micro twists are not for me. They broke my hair, and I won't lie to you. However, I have friends that have tried them. I have installed these on a lot of people who love them, who actually feel they're good protective hairstyles. Others have kept them for 3 months. Others actually have kept them in for longer. They would actually even come and do reties and then later on uninstall them. And their hair has grown significantly. Maybe I just didn't know how to properly take care of them. But I feel the first mistake I made was to use mousse after installing them. I know that's what a lot of hairdressers do, but my hair does not do well with mousse. Mousse locks my hair. It's more like, I don't know how I can explain it, but once I applied mousse, it's like I had just locked everything. But yeah, that was the last twist. After sitting for hours, feeling myself, proud of myself, that was the last twist. If only I knew the horrors that awaited me, if only I knew. But yeah, that was the last twist. It felt good. It felt good to finally get done after hours and hours of plating non-stop. But yeah, if you want to try them, that's the procedure or that's the method. I just kept twisting the same way that you do your mini twists, just that these ones are micro or they are very small as compared to your normal mini twists. So and I know there are others who do them smaller than this, and that's what I had planned initially. I had planned to do them smaller than this, but then I became tired, so I couldn't do them smaller than what I wanted. And I'm just imagining if I think I would have become bored. I would have become bored. Look at that. My hair actually looks good. I won't lie. The twists they ate. They ate. I don't care what you tell me. And this was me before applying the mousse. Look at that. The lines they were not perfect, but they looked nice. I was feeling myself. I was so happy. My hair looked mwah. I wish I just left them like this. I wish I just sprayed water and applied the leave-in conditioner. Maybe that would have helped. I don't know. But yeah, this was my hair. After I was done, I was just showing the camera what my hair looked like. The back also ate. Look at that. It looked thick. It looked gave luxury. It gave luxury, but unknown to me. But anyway, this was my hair after I applied the mousse. It, like you can tell, the twist looked moisturized, they looked juicier, they looked, yeah, they had shrunk, and they looked really nice. They looked really, really nice. So yeah, anyway, that's the story of the micro locks or the micro twist that I had done. Thank you very much for watching. If you have watched to this point, please ensure that you do subscribe, turn on your notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and hearing me rant about how I destroyed my hair. But yeah, that's the story. But look, this just look really nice. I don't know why. Anyway, fine. Bye. See you in the next one.